These days, everyone's talking about value. So, what do you get for $675,000? Well, in New York City, you can probably get a studio or a small one-bedroom. Yoo-hoo! Up here, you could get this sprawling 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom home plus a loft in West New York. Located along the waterfront of New Jersey's Gold Coast, nestled amongst the immaculately manicured grounds of the Port Imperial Property Owners Association, you will find the Hudson Club Condominium. Past the full-time front desk at 24 Avenue at Port Imperial, the elevator takes you to the top floor and a gem awaits. Upon opening the door, one encounters a dramatic south-facing and sun-filled great room with high ceilings and oversized windows that give you a glimpse of the New York City skyline. The open chef's kitchen offers a full suite of appliances, gleaming granite countertops and custom cabinetry, perfect for entertaining in your expansive living and dining room. A large king-size bedroom and modern bathroom with Jack and Jill doors to the bedroom and hallway are located on this level, as well as the in-unit washer-dryer. Up a real flight of stairs, one finds a sizable loft space, which is great for a den or home office, and also comes with a projector and screen for those impromptu movie nights. Additionally, another king-size bedroom with renovated bathroom and walk-in closet adorns this upper level. The Hudson Club Condominium boasts a variety of practical and luxurious amenities, including a gorgeous health club, half basketball court, tennis courts, an outdoor pool with jacuzzi, business center, lounge and billiards room, a movie theater, and furnished courtyard overlooking the Hudson River and New York City skyline. A charming playground is located across the street adjacent to the outdoor parking lot. Excellent proximity to the Port Imperial Weehawken Ferry, shops and conveniences like Starbucks, supermarkets, restaurants, the Lincoln Tunnel, and light rail. And pets are okay too. I'm Feiler Fluger with Brown Harris Stevens. Thank you so much for joining us today on this tour of apartment 438 at the Hudson Club Condominium in West New York. I'm going to take a stroll down this waterfront, and I hope to see you real soon so I can show you what a fantastic home apartment 438 really is.